in the early years of the women's movement, in the meaning 70s and then mas in the early 80s, women asserted that issue-based organizing was a necessary strategy since women's issues cut across classes. So ito yung feminism, parang may specificity ang gender relations, pero iugat pa rin natin doon sa, at that point, feudal, colonial, history natin, at saka imperialism. Imperialism is hardly used here now. It's called globalization. Ganda, no? Okay. The preponderance of women's group now are issue focused. So, ito yung irony. So, we fought for feminism, pero itong issue focus, there's a very distinct or discrete groups working on reproductive health and rights, violence against women, prostitution, trafficking, migration, lesbian or gay issues, etc. Nasa loob sila ng social movements, no? Pero ang problema mo dito, pagka if you are in a big social movement formation, oftentimes when the crunch comes, no, women have to give up their gender or feminist concerns. So isa yung reflection din, or some kind of irony. Pero, we can also see that issue-based organizing was the result of the changes. We must agree that things have changed. And I think Delhi has made very clear what those changes through a few decades now. The assertion that the women's agenda is dichotomized and depoliticized. So, there is now a very strong assertion that the women's movements, has been dichotomized, fragmented because of the fragmentation also of the left, and depoliticized. Bakit? Where before it was reductionist and economic reductionism that push our activism, parang pag lumaya ng bansa, lalaya ang kababayan, sabi namin, that's not automatic. Look at, socialist countries, look at Nicaragua, look at Eastern Europe. Nabaliktad na ngayon. Ngayon ang reklamo, women activists, who were involved in social movements in the martial law years were particularly reflective of the unity versus diversity of the women's movement. Very marked were the changes in the political and social landscape in which the women's movement is now situated. Where before there was a real need to unite in a broad anti-fascist, anti-Marcos, anti-authoritarian movement, the reinstitution of democratic institutions, supposedly after 1986, open new avenues for other advocacies, including human rights, and its practice within the left. If you know what I mean, but don't ask.